When you first walk in, you got the closet. We've been here for 4 days already, so this is our clothes. And then you have full body mirror. Then you go over here, you have the tub. It's a nice size, nothing fancy. Then you have a towel rack. The toilet is super low, but so you have a giant mirror here with the lights, and then down here you just have these little baskets. Right here you have TV, you have dresser drawers, then in here you have a refrigerator, coffee machine, another giant mirror. Then we have a king size bed, 2 nightstands, and then you have this little sitting area, little table, and last but not least, you have my favorite part, the balcony. The sun just went down not too long ago, so isn't that just beautiful? So peaceful. See the ocean, and then you have another pool area. This is for the kids. It has a slide. You see the people still going down the slide. So yeah, you have a volleyball net. Also, let me see, can I zoom in? Zoom, zoom, zoom. See the volleyball net. Yeah. But yeah, and we're on the 2nd floor. Got our little palm tree right here. So, oh my god, that is just beautiful. So, yeah. Oh, before I forget, we also have 2 seats where we can just sit out here and relax on the balcony, and then we have a little table. So this is my favorite part. We got the oceanfront room. That is just beautiful, 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 beautiful. We're surrounded by volcano rocks, of course, but